वास्को शाराच्या विकासा खातीर मास्टर प्लॅन तयार करून केंद्र सरकाराकडेन धाडिल्लो. थंय ताका मान्यताय मेळ्ळ्या. शाराच्या विकासा खातीर केंद्र सरकारान मंजूर केल्ले 150 कोटी निधींतल्यान मार्च म्हयन्यासावन वेगवेगळ्या विकास कामांक सुरवात जातली. आमदार साळकाराच्या फुडारपणा खाला शारान व्हड प्रमाणात उदरगत जाता म्हण मंत्री विश्वजीत राणे उलयला. RDX खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नाईक.
तुमकां याद जातलें हो प्रश्न हांवें लास्ट टू लास्ट असेंब्लीन 1 वर्सा पयलीं हांवें विश्वजीत राणे सराकूच विचारिल्लें, तुमी सदांच केन्ना स्मार्ट सिटी डेव्हलप करपाक सोदता तेन्ना त्यो पणजी नाल्यार मडगांव नाल्यार म्हापसा ह्योच कित्याक करपाक सोदता, वास्को कित्याक न्ही. आमी वास्को एक एंड पॉयंटार पडटा आनी त्या खातीर सदांच आमकां एकदां दुर्लक्ष जाता. सो ते तुमी दुर्लक्ष करचें न्ही आनी आमची वास्को अंडर स्मार्ट सिटी तुमी डेव्हलप करची अशें हांवें तेन्ना मागिल्लें. तेन्ना म्हाका खूब जाण हाशिल्ले, जशें अंडरपासाच्या वेळार म्हाका खूब जाण आशिल्ले, तर ह्याय टायमाक म्हाका आशिल्लें ताची स्मार्ट सिटीचो मागणी केल्या ही केन्नाच पुराय जावची ना म्हणून. पूण आज ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर श्री विश्वजीत राणेन म्हाका म्हणजे जेन्ना ते एनावन्स केलें तेन्ना खंय तरी म्हणजे म्हाकाय खूब बरें दिसलें की जे आमी प्रयत्न करतात वास्को डेव्हलप जावपा खातीर, वास्को सुदारणा जावपा खातीर, वास्को सुंदर जावपा खातीर जे आमी प्रयत्न करतात ते खंय तरी फळाक येता. फुडले येता ते कारण 150 कोटी म्हणजे तुमी वास्को भितर पयशेत जाल्यार खुबशे ओल्ड बिल्डींग्स आमच्यो आसात ज्यो खुबश्यो कॉलॅप्स जावपाच्या हाजेर आसा. सो पयले फेजीन आमी जे स्टाफ क्वॉर्टर्स आसा गव्हर्मेंटाचे म्हणजे म्युन्सिपालिटीचे ते स्टाफ क्वॉर्टर्स घेतले. बाकीची ती मुकुंद बिल्डींग जावं, बॉर्जीस बिल्डींग जावं, कोसंबे बिल्डींग जावं, ह्यो सगळ्यो गव्हर्मेंटाचे जे सामक्यो वायट अवस्थेन बिल्डिंग्यो आसा त्यो सगळ्यो घेवन वास्को भितर एक बरें सुंदर वास्को करप हें जें आमचें स्वप्न आनी एक विजन घेवन आमी सगळे फुडें सरल्यात ताका आमचो पुराय सरकार आमकां तेंको दिता. 150 कोटी आमकां उलोवपाक खूब सोंपें, पूण 150 कोटी जेन्ना ह्या वास्को भितर येतले तेन्ना म्हाका दिसता पुराय वास्कोचें कायापलट जातलें. आनी जे म्हाका कितें कितें म्हणटाले नाल्यार क्रिटिसायज करताले म्हाका दिसता तांकांय हांव रिक्वेस्ट परत एकदां हांगा सूर कसो आसता की खंयचो प्रकल्प येवचे पयलींच ताका ऑपोजिशन म्हणजे प्रकल्प कळचे पयलीं ऑपोजिशन. आतां हे 150 कोटी दिल्या ताकाय ऑपोजिशन आसतलें. हे सगळे पयशे खंय तरी सरकार सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट वास्कोकारा खातीर मोडटली, मुरगांव तालुक्यान मोडटली आनी लोकांचें जीवन बरें करपा खातीर मोडटली.
150 crores एक तुम्ही प्रोजेक्ट
150 crores is sanctioned only for development of Vasco city under the Urban Challenge Fund by Government of India. ML Khattarji has considered it positively approved and money will get in the next 15 days. And wo पैसे आम्ही वेगळ्या तरेन Vasco development and based on the master plan, everything whatever Raji has suggested, Movin Gudino's, Shri Movin Gudino's guidance and even in Sankalp's area and whatever Raji wants as far as Vasco city is concerned, we will make sure that every aspect is taken. For the first time, this type of fund has been allotted to the city of Vasco, and at one, so totally I think before in another month or two, totally if you go to see, we would have spent about close to about 200 crores before 2027. And this will be now immediately 150 crores in one shot. And if we need to enhance it, they will consider it for enhancement to give it to us. We have given them a total project, and luckily I am grateful to the council and Shri Movin Gudino, Daji Sarkar, Sankar Pamuran, all the council and the chairperson, everybody, because of them we could take prepare the master plan for Vasco. This is the same master plan that has been presented there. And like I said earlier, I think there was a confusion. I mentioned that AED and a paramedic will be in every building which is more than 100 flats. Paramedic and an AED machine compulsory mandatory so that we are able to reduce the response time to save people's lives. Development of Vasco. Now Swatantra Park development, beautification, we are putting the foundation soon shortly. Commercial complex of 20 crores, we are putting it in next 10-15 days. And this is how we want to see, everybody. We have a guidance of a senior leader like Mr. Movin Gudino. Daji is there representing Vasco. Sankalp is there representing his constituency. Everybody wants development. And this development has to be in line with the modern age and new age and thinking with what the people and the new generation want. And I think that's what he asked for and that's what he has got. And based on his request, we put up the master plan to the Government of India. And Government of India was kind enough under the leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Modi ji and ML Khattarji to sanction this money. Just imagine, even the new Wadi Lake, I have given direction that now by next week they have to put it up. We'll call for a G-Studio meeting, take it up, and whatever is there pending as far as Sankalp is concerned, in Sankalp's constituency we'll take it up. See, comprehensively Vasco, all the constituencies in Marmabad Taluka have to be developed. And whatever UD, and UD is now giving even census towns money, so which is very good. It's very important for us, and I think under the leadership of the BJP government and the Chief Minister of Work, and I think there will be sufficient progress we will see within the next couple of months. Forgot to mention in the speech, we are taking up under this fund the redevelopment of all the staff quarters. they can be made into commercial complexes with the staff being accommodated in that. So you can increase the height of those buildings and accordingly you can provide it for them. Let the municipality take it up in the main. We will give the fund, we will build it up and give it to them. We take the councillors into consideration. The Honorable Movin Gudino is there, Raji is there, then Sankalp Yabadi comes at in Raji's constituency. We will take it up and Maka dista ki municipal quarters development will be a important thing because it's pending for a very long time. And that will be very helpful. It will also generate revenue for the council. And apart from generating revenue, we'll provide quality accommodation for the people here. And also night, we have suggested to Government of India, Vasco we have taken, Margao we have taken, couple of municipalities we have taken to allow we empower the women. So empowerment of women, how do you do? By organizing, I forgot the name of those trucks which will roam around in the city only in the night with that suction below it. So we have asked municipality wise that many numbers are based on the size of the municipality. So we are able to move towards one of the cleanest cities.